welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to make Omelette Jhol, a traditional Bengali dish. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment and share the video with your friends and family. And please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. Let's get started. Today's video is sponsored by Zora Supermarkt Delhi. Visit them today and use the promo code THB10 to get the 10% discount. Hope you will like our recipe. Do give it a try and let us know how it turned out for you. Now let's try. It's nice, really nice. It's delicious. Do give it a try. Thanks to Zora Supermarkt for sponsoring this video. Please subscribe to our channel and see you all soon. Bye.